Hello children. So in the last class we had discussed about indifference curve. Okay. So today we will start the next topic, that is budget line. Okay. So as you can see in the definition is written here, budget line. That is, budget line is a graphical representation of all possible combinations of two goods which can be purchased with given income and prices, such that the cost of each of these combinations is equal to the money income of the consumer. Okay, once again I am reading it. Budget line is a graphical representation of all possible combinations of two goods which can be purchased with given income and prices. Okay, whatever income and whatever prices we are having, with that only we are purchasing, and such that the cost of each of these combination is equal to the money income of the consumer. That is, the combination of each should be equal to the income of the consumer. Okay, so budget line is a line which shows my budget. Okay, whatever budget I am having, or whatever is the position of my budget, that is, with my income how much I can purchase, or how many combinations of two goods I can purchase. Okay, so this is budget line. So we can see one example. Okay, so in the example I am taking two goods. Okay, that is apple and banana. Okay, apple and banana. Yes, so here I am writing apple, and here it is banana. Okay, and here as I had written y, so y means income. Okay, I hope everybody knows this, that y means income. Okay, so my income is rupees 20. Okay, income is rupees 20, and the cost of apple, I can say it is rupees 4, and assuming, okay, and the banana is rupees 2. Okay, apple is rupees 4 and banana is rupees 2. So now 20 rupees I am having, तो 20 rupees में कितने एप्पल लूँगी मैं. ओके, और एल्स इफ़ आई वांट कि 20 रुपीज़ में मुझे सिर्फ एप्पल ही लेने, मैंगो नहीं लेने. ओके, सो हियर एप्पल इज़ रुपीज़ 4, सो 20 रुपीज़ आई एम हैविंग. 4 रुपीज़ का एक एप्पल, सो हियर 5 एप्पल. दैट इज़ पूरा मैंने अपना इनकम एप्पल में लगा लिया, एंड बनाना इज़ 0. ओके, so you can see here, if you make the combination apple 5, banana 0, so your apple 5 means 5 apple into 4, yes, that is 20, plus you can see banana is 0 and price is 2, so 0 into 2. Okay, so you see, if you add this you will be getting 20. Yes, now the next thing is, now he wants banana also. Okay, here only I had purchased only apple with my income, that is 20 rupees. Now I want banana also, and for banana what to do? Sacrifice. If I want banana, then because as I had here, I had expenses, that is here I had spent all my income, but now with that income if I have to purchase banana, then I have to sacrifice this. Yes, because income is 20 only, isn't it? That is, some apple I have to sacrifice. So here what I did is 4 apples. Okay, now here 4 apples, so 4 apple means 4 into 4, that is 16. Actually 20 is there, here 16 apple I had already purchased, that is 16 rupees I had already spent. Now how much is left? 4 is left, 20. So here 4, not 4, sorry, here 2. Okay, that means what I will write here is 2 into 2. So here 4 into 4 and 2 into 2, so 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, so you will be getting again 20. Yes, now 5 4, then here what happened, again sacrificed apple, यहाँ पे मैंने 3 किया, then here it comes 3 into 4, तो 12 आया, और rest, that is 4 I will be keeping here. then it will be getting 4 plus 2. Now here if we do it, sorry, 4 into 2, if we do it here again I am getting 20. अब वो 3 से फिर 2 हुआ. Okay, so here 2 into 4 8 हुआ, plus what I will write here is 6, that is 6 into 2 12. So again I got 20 here. In the same way 1. Okay, so here 1 into 4 8 into 2, isn't it? That is, here I am writing 8, so here I will be getting 20. एंड एट लास्ट अब मेरे को था कि यहाँ पे मैंने पूरा इनकम जो था वो एप्पल में लगाया. नाउ आई डोंट वांट एप्पल. ओके, नाउ आई एम गिविंग ऑल माई इनकम टू बनाना. सो हियर 0 एप्पल. ओके, एंड हियर हाउ मेनी बनानास? Yes, it is 10 bananas. Okay, that is 0 into 4 plus 10 into 2. Okay, so 0 into 4 and 10 into 2. So here I got 20. Okay, so this is the table we formed. Now I hope you understood this everything. Okay, now you can compare this table with this definition, then it will be more clear to you. Okay, that is, it is a representation of all possible combination of two goods which can be purchased with given income. That is, our given income is 20 and income and prices, and here price is also given, apple and banana, such that the cost of each of these combination is equal to the income of the consumer. You can see here, cost of each of the combination is equal to the income of the consumer. Our income 20 is only, so here 20 is given. Okay, so I hope clear. Yes, bachas. Now we can see the graphical representation of the same table. Okay, so here I had taken apple, okay, on x-axis, and here this is y-axis, and in y-axis I had taken banana. Okay, so here with this graph we understood, okay, that is apple. Okay, apple when it is that is, if we start from here, okay, apple jab 5